Hello and welcome to another video about Tencent class. Today I'm gonna show you how to take the live lecture or also how to review the lectures which you can't be able to take while you have a time difference or either you have any other problem. Well, there are two ways, either with this website ke.qq.com or you can download the application on your computer to access it. This is WeChat login. You need to scan this code and log in, or you can write your QQ credential to log in. Well, I'm going to show you the website one today. First, you need to open this website ke.qq.com. After you will turn on this website, you need to click on this blue button over here. That means log in. After that, this one is WeChat. This one is for QQ. I'm gonna use the WeChat one. You need to scan this QR code from your WeChat. After scanning this code, you will see this button on your screen, on your phone screen. You need to click this blue button, that means WeChat login. When you click here, you will automatically be logged in. Okay, well, there you go. This is how you can see your lectures, that how many lectures you got, like 6 different lectures. And here is your logout button. Well, let's go and see. Well, there I have 6 different lectures. There you go. Mathematics, Chinese, this one is for C language. As you can see, this blue button over here, that means review the lecture, and this red button over here means live class. Well, University Physics, I'm gonna review this one. You need to click this button, just right click on it or left click on it and it will turn on. As you can see, it's here.
Master, but you can see it will be
you can adjust the volume.
Okay.
You can adjust the speed, adjust the quality. If your internet is slow, you can use 420p.
And I have to emphasize.
So you can use 480p for the slow internet. That's all.
Written examination. Actually, a rod is the negative. Then finally, only the.
Well, that's all. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you later. Bye bye.